Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Monday, the 23rd of January, and we're back for yet another stream. Last stream was the sponsored stream on Saturday, which... I mean, we got something working, I guess, so... In that way it was a success, but oh man. That was a rough stream. I feel like I haven't been that floundery with something in quite a while, but got through it, so that's fine. The plan for today is to finish up 2 little things in pre-commit and then release 3.0. Yeah. No particular reason other than fuck it, let's do it. What was rough about it? I was having fun touring apartments. So they wanted me to use their brand new version 2 functions and follow the docs for them and get them set up. But the docs were subtly broken, and the only way that things actually worked is if you ran them out of order. And also the commands in the docs, when you ran them, printed out your credentials in plain text. So then we rotated the credentials, and then it broke everything that I was running, so I had to start over. And so imagine being like an hour and a half into the stream being like, oh, well, there's the creds in plain text. Guess it's time to start over. This fucking sucks. This isn't a good look at all. Man, I hope they still pay me after this shit show. But I don't know. None of it was my fault, I think. And it was still fun to like build it, but I don't know. The other thing that I realized like puts me on edge, and this is like some stupid thing in my brain. I can't really explain it, but it's probably something that's fucked up somewhere. I've noticed that sometimes when I'm working and certain things aren't in the right place or aren't doing the right things, it feels wrong. One of them is like when I'm streaming and I don't have any music playing, it feels wrong. Something's not right. And part of the recording sponsored content is they want clean audio. So I know I don't record the background audio, but sometimes even if I talk loud enough, the music's loud enough, my microphone will pick it up. I can't have any music playing. So it was just dead silent for me that entire time, and I'm like slowly like, this is what is going on. I feel on edge. The other thing that I've realized, this one sounds insane, is if I'm not wearing my like house slippers when I'm programming, I like can't think. And there's been several times where I've been like sitting down in code and I'm like, something's off. And then I go get my house slippers and I'm like, yes, perfect. Now we are ready to write some code. But it's a very, very weird thing. But yeah, I don't know. Something I know something was off, and it was probably that the music wasn't playing, but also that nothing fucking worked. So I mean, what are you gonna do? This pen isn't clicking properly. Do this usually. But other than that, I don't know. It was still fun. We still got the thing working. And now I have an open source GitHub app that is end to end, and I can just be like copy paste. There we go. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who is here. Fixer Jake was first today. Hello. JJMC is also here. Wilfred, good to see you. TTC Boss Fire, that's a cool emote. Meat Sauce, welcome back. Andy's Jake, good to see you again. The shiny hunt continues. Indeed it does. Ormus, hello. Anarula, welcome to the stream. Pandoxer, hello. Pot of Green, we don't talk about the Azure stream. Yeah. Yeah. Bugle Cook says I use Pigment today, and it's great. My productivity goes down because I have to fix many issues before I'm able to push. Well, you can just skip them, and then deal with it in CI. It's not Pigment it's doing that. It's whatever tools are you running. Any random Twitch user? Hello. How you doing? Any slippers rights code? No, I'm quite sure that's not how it works. But yeah. Fix Jake says I'm still working on the unit test shit. Why is my phone buzzing? That usually. Oh, just spam. Cool. Very cool. Love to the spams. So. Oh, my phone's just dumb. Never mind. Nathan, hello. Welcome back. It's been a while. I feel like you haven't been here in a while. Let's see. What was the last time you chatted? Oh. Never mind. It's only been 5 days. Feels like it's been a while. But welcome back. It's been a long weekend. I was stressing the fuck out this weekend about a presentation that I had to give at work today. And presentation went great. Basically no problems. Which is a relief. Because I do this once a quarter. It's the thing that I dread the most. But yeah, it went smooth. Yeah, I made pre-commit Bugle Cook. That's me. I made the tool called pre-commit. I didn't make the GitHub called pre-commit, but I made the tool called pre-commit. The Python tool called pre-commit. Yeah, that's me. And I also made pre-commit CI, which if you haven't checked out, you should check out. Victor Jake says, I deleted a whole namespace from the Kubernetes today. It was very intentional due to some cleanup, but it was very scary. Yeah. Yeah, those are always kind of spooky. Always kind of spooky. The GitHub pre-commit? No, the Git hook pre-commit. .get/hook/pre-commit. Nisa says, what's new? Do run bang today. I will tell you the answer. But yeah. We do have 2 things that I want to get done before I can release it. Which is blur, 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 blur. One of them is in this to-do file, which I think only I understand what this says. Can probably do the state simplification by just touching v2 and eventually remove. Yep, okay. I know what this means, but there's no way that this means anything for anyone else. Yeah. Pre-commit RS? Not quite. That's not gonna be 3.0. It is coming along though. Give a small little update on this bad boy. I have 2 things working. Well, cargo run. I have a couple things working. Dash help. Fucking A. I have clean sample config, validate config, and validate manifest mostly working. There are a few things that are not actually validated in the configuration, but it can load configs, which is honestly the most complicated part of pre-commit. So for instance, if we also it doesn't work for local hooks. So there's a few things that don't work yet, but for instance, if I do this, it'll say like, what the fuck? Where's the rev key? I need to make an enum for this and blah blah blah. I'll get there eventually, but there we go. Is it open source? No, because I don't want people to send me patches. The most infuriating thing to do when you're prototyping something is have somebody come in and rewrite everything. I don't want that. Also, if it never finishes, like, yeah, I don't really want to have finished project. So, but yeah, it will be if I finish it, but it is not. Last thing you saw is you rewrote Saturday. Yeah, not much has changed since then, other than after rewriting it, I now have the configuration parsing working, including this fucking macro. This macro, which basically copy and pastes this class, but changes everything into optionals. So, but an int is an int now, yes. An int is an int now, unlike fucking Saturday, which is like, oh yeah, that's a string, yep. Definitely just gonna silently turn this number into a string and not give you any choice. Fucking stupid bullshit. But I learned a lot, so that's kind of fun. I think it's also bad that I've learned a lot, because now I'm like, oh, I know how to use macros. I'm gonna fucking use them for everything. But this is a macro this is a pretty bad macro, actually. So what this macro does is it reads a hard-coded source file name, because there's a thing that's in Rust, unstable, that lets you get the original source file. But I haven't depended on anything unstable yet, and this doesn't feel like it tips the scale for me. Not that it matters. It's a tool. You can do whatever you want. Walfred, thank you for the 5 gift subs. To NFT Scam Weekend, Sergeant Poppycock, Python and Artheno. Welcome to Septum. 5 for making incense. Yeah. So this is probably the bad part about this. Beyond that, all it does is it tries to find the manifest hook class, and then it looks through all of the named fields on the manifest hook class. Well, it's a struct because Rust doesn't have classes, but you know what I mean. And then it builds either, if it's ID, it builds this field, otherwise it builds option. So this is a fancy macro that is essentially what config? No, it'll be config. No, this. Yeah. That macro does what these lines do right here, essentially. So I'm getting closer. I am probably going to represent. This is the next tricky thing to do. Is these 3 things here. So I think what this will be in Rust is hooks will be a vector of some, or a vec of some union or some enum, and then the enum will have a meta flavor, a local flavor, and a classic flavor, a local flavor, and a meta flavor. But I don't quite know how that's gonna work yet. But anyway, that shit's all super off topic and not what we're working on today, because I'm not gonna work on Rust on this. I was thinking maybe I'll work on Rust on the other channel, because then only the real people will show up there. But Pottergreed says, "May I love config v? Thank God for that." Do you actually like config v? Because I feel like it's okay. I mean, I'm glad I wrote it, because before it was JSON schema. No offense to Julian, because Julian's great. But the error messages that JSON schema gave were just fucking garbage, and it was always a pain in the ass to deal with. Kegsit, thank you for the gift sub to Mocha Tech Plays. Good to see you again, Kegsit. Yeah, the error messages are just this is like the whole fucking reason that I wrote config v was for these error messages. And yeah, now as you can see, now it works in Roost. I'm designing it a little bit different than the Python version. Like the Python version is very built around having an iterable validators, whereas the Rust one is more built around the type structure. So a little bit different. But that's because the Python one can do a lot of dynamic magic. Holy shit. Arc like Slavic, thank you for the resub at 21 months. Which oh, I was gonna grab a beer, wasn't I? Huh. Can I go grab a beer, chat? The other channel can be chill? Yeah, maybe. What are you using in Roost to interact with SQLite? The first thing that I found. I don't remember what it was called. Rust SQLite. Features bundled. Yeah, which I assume is an FFI FFI unsafe wrapper, but I don't give a shit. Yeah. These are the dependencies I have so far. I'm probably gonna replace this one because I'm not happy with how they do it. But I don't care. I'm just prototyping right now. Also, I don't quite like what this thing does either, but whatever. We're just gonna try and approximate there. I'm gonna update the graphic to read get add dash sub. Because commit, because then it wouldn't. Then you wouldn't get. You wouldn't get. You wouldn't have the little. You wouldn't have the pre-commit part of it. That's the whole point. It wouldn't look cool. It'd just be like, oh, that's a weird, boring overlay. Not a great size. It was easy and fast to set up, so good for me. Nice. The other part about config.v is I don't know how to type it because it's a little bit too dynamic. What's the other channel? The bot channel. anthonywritescode-vods. Which is what I stream on when I'm just doing like stupid bullshit. That doesn't happen very often though. Orman says, trying to figure out what should be better for something I'm prototyping. Oh, for Roost. Yeah. Choco! Hi Choco, hi Choco, hi Choco. so for context, chat, Choco Jax has TTS enabled on her channel, and you've set it to the which voice do you have it set to? You have it set to some like cutesy girl voice that the Japanese one. that if you TTS hi Choco, hi Choco, hi Choco, it sounds fucking adorable. And so it is one of my favorite things to TTS. But anyway, there's the context there. But how you doing, Choco? Good to see you again. Meat Sauce says, totally missed that part. Wait, which part? Oh, this the notification. Yeah. I'm good. I'm lazing around. That's always good. That's always good to hear. I mean, you could be like stressed out of your mind and yeah. Don't want to be stressed out of your mind. That was me this morning. But I did my presentation. Now, fucking good. Don't have to worry about anything. Not a care in the world. Everything went great. Okay. So the first thing that we're gonna do today is close out of this tab and move to the right repo. Is resolve this to do. Actually, no. That's gonna require work. So first I'm gonna run the slow thing, which is to potentially rebase this person's branch unless it's already correct. Because I don't know. I just am always a little suspicious of these changes. Not that this person is suspicious in any way, just I want to do the due diligence on this. So I don't have a good way to validate it. It's just a giant blob of code. Usually get stressed for public speaking stuff? Usually not. This is, so I present, so there's a series of manager meetings, which I'm not a manager. Rollers! Thank you for resub at 31 months. Good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. Hello. Yeah, I don't really get stressed for public speaking because I'm pretty good at it. I get like 10 hours of practice a week on stream. Well, more than that even, because I make YouTube videos. So I'm not really stressed about the like public speaking part of it. It's mostly just like I have to put on a manager hat for you know, honestly it's usually only 20 minutes, but put on a manager hat and then be like, hey, the entire company, these are the things we're working on and not anything else. Good luck, have fun. And some of the other planning sessions don't go well. Like some people like propose their stuff and people will be like, why are you working on that? Which is fair. Hasn't happened in my team yet, so. But I'm always a little bit like, Drooper says, top command line library and why. You don't need anything more complicated than argparse. If you need something more complicated than argparse, you're probably doing something wrong. I find all the other ones are difficult to debug, and you know, you need to install something, and anytime you install something, you deal with someone else's bullshit. I don't have time for that. Pantrax, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Wilfred says, better than last year? What do you mean? Better than last quarter? The last quarter where I was even more stressed because I had to be like, yo, so our team didn't accomplish anything last quarter. Let us do things the next quarter. That one? Yeah, that one's a little that one was worse. But actually that one went great too, so I was way more stressed out for that one though. I had like a whole week of eye twitching, whereas I only had like an hour and a half of eye twitching this one, so I call that one a win. Fix Jake says, whenever I had presentations in college, I just had an outline and then made it up as I went. My girlfriend was amazed. I barely prepared and did fine. Yeah, I don't have speaker notes. I basically throw things into slides and I press record. Well, I don't press record. I join the meeting and I say hi and then laugh my way through it. Which I don't know. That's how I make YouTube content too. I don't do any prep for that. I just have an idea and hopefully get through it. Yeah. Okay, sometimes I do a little bit of notes. Like today's video, no, I had no notes for today's video. Today's was a PyTest video, right? Yeah. So today's video is a PyTest video. Oh, spoilers. We're starting a new series tomorrow. Yeah. This might suck. I don't know. We'll see. I have a whole bunch of ideas for this, but Friday's video, I have 4 lines of notes. I think I had 4 lines of notes for Friday's video, but then blabbled for 20 minutes. So, yeah. So I don't know. I'm pretty good at just like having no context, just making a presentation. So, I'm doing well, Pantrex. Hopefully you're doing well as well. Nectarx says, why are you working on that? I don't know. It seems fun. Fortunately, most of the stuff where with my team, like, why are you working on this? It's literally like, because this other team asked us to do it, or because developers are pissed. Like, those are 2 fairly easy to defend, you know, reasons to do stuff. And then mine is Google's Fire kind of useless. It doesn't live up to its name. It's so hard to debug. I wouldn't recommend it, but the theme milkshake theme from 2 videos ago. What? Oh, the notebook theme. You mean like the YouTube videos? Yeah, that one got set on stream and I just got to turn it off. And I kind of like the theme, but Marshall says if you're an expert on the topic, you don't need to have too much notes. Yeah, I still think that like it depends on the person, and sometimes like I mean, I'm not gonna say like, oh yeah, you're bad at a topic if you had notes. Like, it's not really valid. Just some people are better at bullshitting than others. No, sorry. Some people are better at stuffing a bunch of stuff in their head and then regurgitating it than others. Which like I wouldn't say that they're better or worse in a particular way. Like I think notes are useful. And you know, everyone has different styles of producing content and presenting, and some people are really good at writing a script and sticking to it and like doing you know, communicating effectively that way. I don't like scripts. I like to just wing it, and for me it feels more authentic, but that's not everyone's style, so totally understand. Beanstalk says, is there a way to automate the creation of a virtual app, its activation, installing a set of models right after? I'm still using at least 5-6 models off the bat. You could just write a shell script. It would have to be a shell function though, because you can't activate without sourcing. I guess you could source your script, but I don't know. Seems not worth optimizing, in my opinion. But you could write a little function that does it if you want to do that. It hasn't changed very much up to how you do bets with them. Yeah, exactly. Pantrex says, are you growing shaggy hair? I think this is out of fashion. No, I just haven't gotten a haircut in a while. I need to get a haircut, but every day that I would be like, I'm gonna get a haircut, other things happen. Like, fuck, what was Friday? Friday I had to prep for the sponsored stream. Saturday was the sponsored stream. After the sponsored stream, I took a nap. And when I woke up from the nap, all the haircut places were closed. Sunday, I went to the gym, went for a run, shoveled my driveway, and recorded YouTube videos. And then it was Everything was closed. So didn't do it Sunday. Today I'm streaming. Tomorrow I'm streaming. Oh yeah, tomorrow I'm streaming with Juicebox Hero. In theory, it's going to actually happen this time. I know we've rescheduled the last 3 of them, but we're going to be teaching more Python. So tomorrow I'm streaming. Wednesday, I'm supposed to get dinner with someone, or is Thursday? I should really check. One of those. Wednesday or Thursday, I'm supposed to get dinner with someone. I was supposed to do something else the other day too. I don't know. I'm just so busy. I need to get my haircut though. As much as, you know, I don't really care. It's not annoying. It's just I look like I haven't gotten a haircut in months, which, you know, so they just get a haircut on stream. I don't know how that would work. That would be that'd be a wild one. I did best by reading beforehand, then just making words up as I go. Yeah. If I don't have notes, I'll ramble too much. Thoughts on Jupyter notebooks? Hate them. We'll never use them. Awesome Clutch. Hello. How you doing? Purple hair and thunk? See, the thing with purple hair, if I was gonna do purple hair, I would dye it first, such that when it fades out, then I would get a haircut. I learned that the first time I dyed my hair. Because I dyed my hair when it was short, and then when it faded out, I was like, I could re-dye it, or I could cut my hair. And I cut my hair until the color wasn't there, and I looked like I was going to shoot up a school, which I don't want to do that again. So anyway, let's do our to-do. You just shaved your head lately? Don't shoot up any schools. I did this wrong. Get fetched this. That said, if my hair ever falls out, I'm shaving bald. I don't give a shit. I'm not doing any fucking comb over bullshit. Just, all gone. I don't think my ancestors deal with hair loss though, so maybe I'll be fine. Copium. All right. Oops. Get checkout lists. Okay, so get show stat. I'm holding on my hairline for dear life. Oh no. This increased the number of bites. How do I get the like this one? Nate Zip, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That is a big diff there. Get long. Oh wait. Recommend resources Ruby build. Yeah, that one's log dash p binary. No, we can just do log because I just want this. Oh, they were the person that did it last time. Get show. No, they're not the person that did it last time. Get log binary. No, get show binary this. Let me see that show. Oh, it was also 2300 lines last time. Maybe it's always 2300 lines? I don't fucking know. That was 2700 lines. I don't know. We'll run the script, see what happens. It changed all 3 of them. Did I run it with 3.8 last time? Yes, I did. Cool. Okay, well that I guess tells me the answer there. It's weird that they had to discard changes though. I don't know why. Probably because macOS is stupid. But yeah, this looks good. So I'm just gonna merge this. And that's one of our 2 things out of the way for making this release. We're gonna do the other change, and then I'm gonna go grab a drink. Or should I just grab a drink now? What do you think, chat? What should we do? This one's gonna be annoying to write. Necklace says, plus that everyone in my family has a full head of hair. Oh. Uh-huh. Nice. Today's the drinking day? I mean, it's a day ending in Y. Wait, that makes me sound like an alcoholic. Fuck it, why not, right? Might as well, yeah. Let's go to the underactive thyroid causes my hair to thin. Oh, interesting. It's Monday. Yeah, that day ends in Y. I don't know. I'm gonna go grab a drink now. That'll make this more fun. I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Yeah, not 11%? Okay, I'll get something less than 11%. Deal. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna get something less than 11%, and technically true. This is 9%. But I am drinking La Fin du Monde, the end of the world, a Canadian beer. What did he get? I missed it. No, I hadn't shown yet. There we go. Now I've shown. Yeah, a Canada from the Great White fucking North, you know, right? Eh, bud? Oh shit! Oh fuck! This one is a very foamy one, if I remember correctly. Legit was expecting a 10% drink. Yeah, that would have been that would have been fucking on brand. Like, yeah, it's less than 11, 10.5. But it's also tall, so don't let me forget that there's more in the bottom here. Do you order these beers or do you take a regular stop at the ABC store? The ABC store. So this one I have been looking for because at my old apartment, the liquor store that was just right up the street from me sold this, and I was very much a fan of it, but the 3 closest liquor stores to me don't sell this. Damn, that's definitely gonna pinpoint where I live. But I know my brother likes this beer too, so I just asked him where he bought it, and then went to Total Wine, which is a big fancy alcohol store in Ann Arbor. That's why I was able to get this. But yeah, no, usually most of the beers I get are just at the grocery store. Because I don't know, craft beer is a thing in the US, so everyone sells craft beer everywhere. But yeah. Mila says, do you like Czech beers? I don't know that I've had a Czech beer. DoorDash lets you buy alcohol now? It depends on the state. Michigan is one of the states where you are not allowed to purchase alcohol online. Which fucking sucks. But what are you gonna do? We have Total Wines here as well. Yeah. They're pretty good. Hey, Ayinger? I've never heard of that. What's the clutch? They're German. Interesting. Does the Dasher just show up and ask for ID? So, they're supposed to. And there's a bunch of other companies that do this. Like the one that I used to use, what's it called? They have a red background. That doesn't narrow it down because it seems like all the delivery companies always use the color red for whatever reason. Actually, wasn't there some study that showed that the color red makes you more likely to consume more? And that's why like McDonald's is bright fucking red. Drizzly. Yeah, that sounds like it. Although I think it was with a Y. Yeah, Drizzly was what I used to use. Yeah, there we go. That's how you spell it. Rollfoot's got the right spelling. You ever see Anger's Celebrator? I would get it because you may never see it again. Oh no. Meatsaw says, have you ever had a fruity beer? They're very common here in Belgium. Yes, I'm a fan of fruity beers. In fact, I have a few downstairs. Which are real good. Usually slap some insane tax on it though. It's always seemed fine for me. Has this been hatching or is it stuck? Okay, no, it's still going. Okay, good. Doing $37 for Tito's? Yeah, that sounds nuts. Radagast, Pilsner, Urquell, I've not heard any of those. Mila. It says Total Wine has. Oh, okay. Well, maybe I'll. All right. Next time I go, I will get some. Next time I will go. Okay, what we can actually see, I put some printing in the output. Okay, it's on box 1, column 4. It's supposed to do 7 boxes, and then I need to touch it. But actually, I'm kind of hoping that it breaks earlier because all of the A presses here are not consistent. So I've been trying to think of like how to make them more consistent. And so if it crashes, we'll make the script better. At least that's the thought. Yeah, Miss River. Hello. Good to see you again. Okay. Welcome to the stream, Northlux. Ah, yes, the bot is so good. What is your keyboard called? Or could you write it in the comments? Oh man, I fucking love my bot. It's so good. The answer says, I'm trying to undistort images. What does that mean? Oh, undistort? Oh. This looks, I have no idea what this is. But it looks cool. Cool. Anyway. Neat. OpenCV sucks? Yeah, tell me about it. Tell me about it. Okay, anyway. What are we doing? Trying to do whatever the fuck this means. I kind of know what this means. So, is it in here? No, it's gonna be in here. Yeah, okay. So, pre-commit, the current version, stores a little state file inside the repository. So if you look at cache pre-commit, repo something pipe env. Yeah, so you can see there's this little install state v1 file here, and it's just a little JSON file that has additional dependencies in here. It turns out this is completely unnecessary because Brigman is always going to make a new environment if additional dependencies changes. So this file can just be nothing. I actually did a patch to make this file empty, but it meant that everything that was already written got rewritten. So it was backward compatible in that everything would reinstall and everything would work, but it would waste a bunch of work reinstalling stuff. So what I'm going to do instead is write this old file and write a new file and check for either of them. And then I can phase out the old one, but it'll take a while to phase out the old one. Elfenrod, thank you for the resub at 12 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Self-Help Hub, thank you for the bits. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Always happy to help. As Clutch says, what do you think is reasonable size for container fish? It depends what you're doing. Anything over a gig starts to feel painful, though, usually. The answer says it's supposed to be a slightly tilted chessboard, but for some reason it starts wrapping around. That's funny. Shepard says, I'm trying to get a shiny Charmander in Scarlet. It's so slow. I can get a shiny with the scripts after like one in every like 5 or 6 hours. Actually, no, I think the expected value is 8 hours. Yeah, it's like 2 hours of collecting eggs, and that gives me 7.5 boxes, and that's like a 45% chance. And then hatching them, I actually don't know how long it takes to hatch. I assume it takes like 3 hours to hatch, which I guess would put the expected value at like 10 or 11 hours, somewhere around there. But yeah, you're out of beer at the end of the server. Oh no. We'll have to get some more. Your beer looks kind of fruity, but I don't know you like IPAs. Yeah, no, this is not an IPA. This is what is it? What do they call this? It just says triple on it, but I forget what that means. But it's not an IPA, because otherwise it would be bitter. This is not bitter. And what is... I think it's a Belgian-inspired triple is what people would call it. I don't know. Let's look at the internet. What does the internet say? La fin du monde beer. Strong triple blonde beer is what they call themselves. Yeah. But yes. And I specifically had the choice between the cans and the bottles, and I've learned a thing about beer, which is that despite people being like hoity-toity about cans versus bottles, cans are actually better because they preserve the beer better, and the process for filling them is better. So I usually pick cans if I have a choice. But anyway, I could have gotten the bottles. I have also had this one and this one. They're also good. I've not had this one though. I don't know what this one's about. Let's see, what is it called? Sweet, full-bodied white beer. Oh, also 9%. Yeah, it is a strong imperial white beer. Whatever that means. Anyway, it's good. I'm a fan. It's not fruity though. I mean, Just notice that the stream title is Valid Franche. What is the stream title? What is... Oh, I mean, just that it's also English, but... Don the Do means gift from God? Oh, interesting. Interesting. It's fun to say too. Le fin du monde, yeah. It's the end of the world as we know it. Green bottles are the worst. Beer and green bottles will go bad if exposed to the sun. Yeah, it's true. That's true. That's why, what is that beer? Shit. It has a, like, French-ass name. Damn. and it has a honestly, if I just search beer that tastes like weed, it'll probably tell me what it is. No, it's not that one. Fucking. But it's not supposed to taste like weed, but it tastes like weed. You know what I'm talking about? Stella Artois! Elfenrod, yeah. Yes, Stella Artois. That weed taste is not intentional. It's because it's in transparent bottles that it gets sun damaged, and that's why it tastes like weed. But the funny thing about Stella Artois, the reason I was laughing is my friend and I went to Oklahoma for a skunked beer. Yes, exactly, snake sauce. My friend and I went to Oklahoma, and we went to a restaurant, and they had like a pretty extensive beer menu. And I asked the waitress, "Oh, I noticed you have a pretty extensive beer menu. What would you recommend that I get? Because I'm feeling adventurous, and I'd like a local recommendation." And she goes, "Oh, I've heard the Stella Artois is very good." And I'm like, "Oh, okay. I can ignore any recommendation that you give me for the rest of the evening, and I'm going to make my own decisions." But yeah. See, Heineken is kind of an interesting beer because it's not carbonated; it's nitrogenated, which is why, and you can tell the difference between carbonated and hydrogenated. If you put carbonated things on your tongue and you just stay there, eventually it will burn your tongue. But if you put nitrogenated things on your tongue, it doesn't. There's no acid. There's no bite. So you can keep Heineken in your mouth essentially indefinitely. Whereas you can't really do that with like soda or traditional carbonated beers. But yeah. Belgian beer is so good. I am a fan of most Belgian beer. There's this one that I had that just was the absolute worst. Oh, this place looks great. Oh, I want all of everything that's here. Or maybe I am misrepresenting. Is this? Yeah, okay. I will never drink this beer ever again. I had it once, and it was the most fucking garbage ass beer that I have ever had. And maybe it had gone off, but I thought I would like it, and like the all this is the color of beer. One of the colors of beer that I like. It just tasted like have you ever had a cocktail with too much bitters in it? Or you just feel like the bartender was like, "Oops, all bitters." That's what it tasted like. It was, oh, I was not a fan. Priox, hello, how you doing? Moscow says, the part of the thing that makes Anger interesting is they use a process which isn't possible with small batch / crab process. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Ivo, welcome. Duvel is okay. Groupunk says, if you like lager, German or Czech beers, if you like lager, German or Czech beers offer great quality at a fair price. Yeah, I'm a fan of German beers. I've not had Czech beers, but I will have to upon recommendation from chat. A beer that tastes like weed. What a fucking Google search. Okay. So the idea with this is to maybe I don't want to bother this. This sounds annoying. Let's see how annoying this is. Read state. Where does that get called? Here. Yeah, I could just say state v2 exists, or this. Yeah? And then eventually I could factor out this code. I think that's what I want to do. Cook says, everyone had no, I've never heard of that. Ben Axel says, cool video today. I was wondering if you still mimic the original package structure in the test package. Even when you have many slow tests or do stash them somewhere else, so it's easier to filter them out. Trying to think of an example. Nope. Pretty sure I just stick to the structure. Yeah. There's the Deutsches Reichsgebot, which makes all German beers taste almost the same. Oh. Deutsches Reichenbrot. Everyone should try Franziskaner. I am a fan of Franziskaner. I have had Franziskaner. They sell it. I sell it at my grocery store, so I get it pretty often. What's being deprecated / removed? Mostly shit that no one cares about that's been warning for forever. Git log, one line, first appearance, decorate. That's the other one that I'm looking for. So you used to be able to make the top level of configuration a list. That is gone. You now need a repos key. You used to be able to, so here, let me just show you. This used to be a valid config, and this used to be a valid config. And that's all the ones that people are actually going to care about. The other thing that's going away is there's an executable recommit bin recommit validate config. This is going away. This is the migration. Alastrovel, thank you for the follow, and Aduk, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome. Shit nobody cares about, said just before bringing someone's critical workflow. Listen, if they've been ignoring the deprecation messages for over a year and a half, that's their own fucking problem. That's not my problem. But yeah. A shade of brown, also welcome. Good to see you. There's THC infused drinks in Canada, but usual teas and like that. There's some THC beers that are sold in the US, but I don't believe they're sold in my state. A shade of brown, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Try to get not guttural enough. Yeah. How many Germans is here? We actually, oddly enough, I feel like most of my audience is European, which makes these like evening streams real awkward. Punk says, I'm in Germany too, and we both know that Czech beers can be actually better. You know the story. Actually, can you explain the thing that makes them all taste the same on the server? Because I'm curious. Because I have noticed that basically all German beers taste kind of the same. Lovekey, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Where the rewards go? Oh shit, I forgot to turn them back on. Let me fix that. I turned them off for the sponsor stream. This one. Boop. Oh wait, not that one. We don't want to keep this one on. Oh shit. Playing with fire there. Okay, yeah. The rewards are back on now. Yeah, I turned them off for the sponsor stream just because they would have been disruptive. But yeah. Ooh, man. This is stupid things that raise your heart rate. Man, that got it going for some reason. Checking that little box was like, oh god, oh fuck, someone's gonna redeem. Purity laws for beer. Alright, chat, we're gonna learn some shit. Because I want to learn some shit. Purity order, a series of regulations limiting the ingredients in beer. Oh. Interesting. So it means you can't, like, put weird shit in beer? Water, barley, and hops. The text does not mention yeast. Well, surely you have to have yeast, right? Yeast produced in one batch is commonly transferred to a subsequent batch. Oh. Interesting. Huh. Well, I guess that's why you don't have, like, malts or... Although, wait, I saw the word malt in here. Oh, malted greens, wait. Oh, you can have 4 export beers? Interesting. Huh. Interesting. 2015, Bavarian brewers voted in favor of a vision to allow other natural ingredients. Damn. I didn't know this, but now a lot of things make sense. Whoa, that was weird. Did you see that, chat? All of these links were fucked up. I thought I was seeing double from drinking, but no, it was definitely a CSS problem, right? 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 To make sure people understand, let's add a 30% pronoun. Right? Kegza says, I'm totally not French. Oh, leches. Right? Actually, you saying leches reminded me of, I had a friend, this is how they spelled their name. They were Brazilian, and it was pronounced leches. Yeah, lechesia. But anyway, that reminded me of that. There are many kinds of beers. The Pilsen kind is my favorite. They all taste similar. Like all PIAs, IPAs. Maybe it's different in but yeah. Means if you put weird shit in it, you can't call it beer. Oh, that's strange. It's like how champagne has to come from the Champagne region. Yeah. White beer is dark, IPA, etc. Just not as popular as the Pilsner kind. Oh, I see. Punk says if you see Pilsner Urkel in the US, give it a go. Okay. I now have to remember 2 things now. Wilfred says Letitia. Nah, but she was Brazilian, so it's Leticia. IPAs typo? Okay, yeah. I don't like IPAs. I'm not at all a fan of IPAs. Okay. State file name. We're gonna get rid of this constant. This was this was 2014 me that thought things like this shit was a good idea. Bye. State v1 file name. See, this is self-documenting and we don't need a fucking constant. Wow. Installed state. Do we reference it anyway? Nope. Literally only reference once. State v2 file name. Instead of a 1, it's now a 2. We are going to reorganize this a little bit. Okay, so we have state, read state. Now we need state v2 exists. VM stir pool. Return os.path that exists. os.path that I guess we can just use state v2 file name. Probably state file name v2. That probably reads better. Yeah. Yes, quite. V1, V2. Joe's Box Hero! Whoa. What are we whoa-ing about? Whoa. How you doing, Juice? We're streaming tomorrow. Right? Surely it'll happen this time, right? Wait. We have to talk about this. How did you go to type 1,000 billion %, but then you have an O in here? How did you do this? Why did you do this? This makes me suspicious about you as a person. What have you done here? The O is right below, but it's a capital O! Oh, I know what you did. because you're a psychopath. You pressed caps lock and then typed 0 a bunch of... Wait, does caps lock... Yeah, wait. That's not... I don't have... Caps lock's disabled there. Yeah, that's what you fucking did, you psychopath. You pressed the caps lock to type out a number really angrily. And then you pressed the O, right? That's what happened. Check your DMs, you shush. That's funny. That's funny. That is pretty funny. Easy on. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I mean, you kind of underplayed it a little bit. But sure. The fact that Anthony noticed that should tell you everything you need to know. Listen. I have a weird attention to detail. Underplayed our friendship? Yeah, just a little bit. Love you, cheers. Okay, what the fuck was I doing? Okay. Maybe you didn't have to take it that far. Okay, I'll shut the fuck up now. You win. You're right. No, I was wrong. I was the one who was wrong. I was wrong all along. It was me. Okay, where's the writing state? Where does that happen? Oh, right here. I see. Chad is so curious. What the fuck? Why is this caught by automod? Juice, fix your fucking shit. Why is this one okay, but this one is okay? This one is not. All right, we're gonna allow the word pedal in my chat now. The backstory is there was a ticket in our sprint that was implement premium hooks. It's true. Very controversial to allow it. I mean, what does it think? Like pedophile? Is that what it's going for? The other thing that Automon hates is there's a package manager. Oh, I still have caps lock. There's a package manager for C# called NuGet. And yeah, Twitch Automod hates this word. Pedophile, yeah. Twitch Automod hates this word for whatever reason. I kind of understand, but at the same time, it's like, that's a bit of a stretch. That's like edit distance 6. Okay, we just need to do, so that's the V1. To do, remove V1 state writing, no longer needed after pre-commit 3.0. And then open state file name. Oh, this should say V1. State file name V2. We have A+, not close. V2 state writing. The comment is sort of obvious, but I want to make sure that I don't. Comment. We don't need a goddamn comment here. Now I'm curious if there's another meeting. The pedalist like step on me, daddy. It's a homophobic slur in French. Interesting. To be fair, you shouldn't use nougat. What would you use instead? Details, Palolo. Howdy, Anthony. I hate code. Can I get a change of career ASAP? Perhaps? What are you looking to do? Shovel pig shit on a farm? That's my that's my end game, right? Stonkfish, hello, how you doing? Juice says OMG, it's D-Delepsy. Yeah. Letters of ASAP are said separately. I know it can be said either way. ASAP or ASAP. ASAP makes me a little uncomfortable. But yeah. You fixed the Blizzard machine at McDonald's for a living? Yeah, that's kind of true. Farming sounds way more relaxing than debugging horrible legacy Java code. Yeah, that sounds fair. Invalid syntax. What was I doing here? Don't need that, clearly. More invalid syntax? Oh, yeah. We won. It's interesting that I said nullable object here. I guess because I didn't care. This was an opaque value, not meant to be indexed. Interesting. This is a very interesting choice that I made here. Well, good thing it's deprecated now. ASAP sounds gross. Yeah, I kind of agree. I have a teammate that pronounces OOO as OOO. Fuck. Shit, Preox. Oh no. I'm that guy. Shit. It says, really enjoyed your PyTest intro video today. Nice that PyTest just allows you to run unit tests behind the scenes. Yeah. Unfortunately, it's like the worst fucking part of PyTest. The unit test part sucks to maintain. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I do pronounce it out of office, but if I see 3 O's in a row, I'm gonna say, whoa. I'm not that much of a psychopath. I don't press caps lock to capitalize letters, please. Argon F, hello, how you doing? Tomorrow's stream's gonna be fun, isn't it? Juice, do you think it would be better or worse? Do you think our teaching stream would be better or worse with the introduction of ethanol? This V says, why open source apps look ugly like slur? I assume you're talking about the software that has the same name as the slur. And I think you're just talking about GTK. Like, GTK makes all the apps look the same and kind of garbage. Which, like, I think you're just saying, why is GTK ugly? Which, fair. GTK is fucking ugly. But I wouldn't lump all open source apps into that. Nisfi, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Qualsy's also here. Reverse Santa. Oh, instead of ho ho ho, it's oh. Yeah. Wolford says, I'm not watching any more PyTest stuff. I've refactored so many PyTest set raises with the match argument. I'm done learning more for the week. That's fair. Well, I don't know that you'll learn anything from today's video. You might. It's mostly just an intro to PyTest. My new keyboard has an on-screen notification every time I use caps lock? How? How does it do that? That's fucking great. You mean you want to drink every time I make mistakes? Listen, I'd be dead. We can't do that. I'd be dead if I drank every time I made mistakes. Oh. Speaking of that. Oh. Oh, Vim is disabled. Right, here we go. There you go. You got your Vim time. Drink every time I make a salacious double entendre. Yeah, sure. Indeed. Take the plunge, map your caps lock to escape. Oh no. Oh no. Craig says I learned about Dash S. See? At the beginning of the video, I was like, this is probably gonna be rehashed for everyone, but maybe someone will learn something from this. Clockwork Giacomo says, PyTest that different from unit test? Is it built on top of unit test? No, it can run unit test, but it is entirely separate. It has a legacy mode that runs unit test tests. But once you told me the problem with match, I went back and refactored a lot of tests. I'm glad you did, because man, this is the thing that I've been like screaming about. Like, man, fuck the match argument. I want to kill it, but people would rightfully pitchfork me if I did that. John V1, thank you for the resub with Prime at 11 months. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, Kexit renamed. Kexit changed their name to Korean characters so that K streamers can pronounce it correctly. Yeah, okay, yeah. They said, okay, look, I'm not lying. Straight from the horse's mouth here. So Juice, I learned a new term. I learned a new term the other day. Apparently, Kexit is what you would call a queeb with a K. which is like weeb, but for Korean. I made this up? I don't think I made this up. I'm pretty sure I didn't make this. Did I make this up? I may have made this up. If not, I'm making it a thing. If I Google queeb and it's... Fuck, I made this up. Oh wait, no? No, it's on Urban Dictionary. I didn't make this up. It has 46 thumbs up. Okay, I didn't make this up. Isn't that great though, Juice? It says I'm the boring kind of Asian? But you're... I was gonna say you're several kinds of Asian. That people don't... There's no Urban Dictionary for that. Tofufufu is also here too. Didn't say hi to you. How you doing? 46 people made this up along with you. Ah, shit, I scammed you out of Vim. Okay, we'll use Vim a little bit. Just because I feel like I scammed you. You're in the terminal. It's true. Look at you. Wait, where'd you go? Oh, you don't have a color. If you do /color, you'll get a consistent color. Well, you have a consistent color. You'll have a color that's the same in chat, but yeah. Speaking of Asian, happy Lunar New Year. Indeed. Happy Lunar New Year. I'm interested in all cultures, but this sounds very white of a sentence to say. Oh no, Kexit has said the quiet part out loud. Have I ate a cup of packing peanuts today? Oh no. Or they at least the... Well, you're in California, so they're the fucking... They're the cornstarch ones, so it's fine. They're edible. Do I tell chat this? Yeah, fuck it, why not? I've ate those. They don't taste that bad, actually. Have you tried them? Oh, fuck, I've said too much. Shit. Lulus Coca says, what game is that? If you do bang Pokemon, it'll tell you there. It's fine, they're edible. You mumble through a mouthful of baggy peanuts. Listen, they still have the shitty styrofoam ones here. They're not as good. I don't need the styrofoam ones. That was a joke. Just to be clear. Sorry, I read Preox's message. True conversation mark. HR, how do you feel about the culture? Me, which one? The white or the male? Fuck. So you're talking about the styrofoam ones? No, most packing peanuts in, at least in countries or states which are environmentally forward, are cornstarch now. They're no longer polystyrene. So yeah. they're consumable. They're biodegradable. They're much better for the environment than the dumb shit that they used in the 90s. I'm in that list this month. Oh no, Priox. Oh no. Who says I've never known that? I'm gonna say, are y'all high or am I? Yeah. Yeah, they dissolve in water, they're cornstarch. Yeah. Do they taste good? They're okay. I realize that I am a little fucked up here. But they actually taste all right. They're mostly flavorless. They have like a subtle, like, grainy corn taste to them. They're kind of good. I don't eat them a lot, but occasionally, like whenever I get something with packing peanuts, I'll test one to make sure that it's actually the cornstarch ones. And then they're an okay snack. Therapist wants me to take leave of absence so I might save some face. Oh no, you have really gone off the deep end, Priox. God damn. Does it taste like popcorn? It kind of tastes like rice cakes. It kind of tastes like rice cakes. If you've had rice cakes. Is that a thing that people have? That I am not making up? Rice cakes? Yeah, these things. It kind of tastes like rice cakes. And rice cakes are good, right? Right. It kind of tastes like slightly sweet rice cakes. Fucking chat's gonna make fun of me for eating fucking packing peanuts. Juice already made fun of her dog for eating packing peanuts. I'm next on the list. Install state. Oh, we don't have any tests for this. Rice cakes suck. They taste like packing peanuts. Fuck. SF Wong, hello. You eat packing peanuts? Oh, sometime. Rice cakes are good in spicy sauces? Oh. I should try eating my packing peanuts with spicy sauces. Oh, someone asked me a while ago what OS do I use? Haha, it's not Linux, it's Windows. But it's been minutes, hours, a long time since that happened. But someone make barbecue packing peanuts. Anything would be your first customer? I feel like this is the kind of shit that I could put, like, if I were an actual, like, influencer, I would make a TikTok about eating packing peanuts. Or I would open a restaurant. Oh, this is how you get those fucking Zoomer millennials to spend a shit ton of money. You open a Michelin star restaurant that just serves packing peanuts. It's genius. Fucking somebody pay me the dollars. You can have the idea. A restaurant that just serves seasoned packing peanuts. Genius. $1 billion idea. Cruise Push says, how do I see the version I use in PyCharm? The version of what? Python? Python dash version? I don't know. Juice says, Anthony, come live at my house in May and love on tofu. What's in May? I think I'm free in May. I have something in April. I have something at the beginning of May. But otherwise, sure, let's make it happen. Nisvi says, is the Ubuntu App Store fixed? I don't know. I don't use it. I don't know. Bellwada says, but without opening the package, pack of peanut and spicy sauce. I'm not sure I understand, but peanuts and spicy sauce are like two of my favorite things. So yes, I will just say yes. Bellwada, how you doing? Good to see you. Here they have flavored rice cakes. Yeah, I've had flavored rice cakes. It says we have a company meeting in San Mateo and Marsh. And I steal tofu. Hey, there you go. There you go. Packing peanuts and Tide Pods. Listen, Tide Pods will kill you. Packing peanuts are completely fine. Completely fine. How would your restaurant pack them up for delivery? Fuck. We'd have to give them more of our product. Larissa Day says, a name for the restaurant, the Baby Shack. I'm liking this idea. Should I quit my job and make make a fancy restaurant that sells packing peanuts? Oh, this is probably not an idea that will make sense when I'm sober. So, I've started doing this thing when I'm dreaming, which is if I have crazy ideas, I will write them down, and or dreams that I think are funny. And one of these happened recently. I find this in Discord. This is some of the fucking funniest shit that I think I've come up with while slightly out of it. Here we go. I had a dream last night that I thought was so funny I wrote it in my phone. My phone just says Wobbuffet sneeze. That's all I wrote down. The scene is a busy subway train. Everyone is masked except for a man sitting next to another trainer's Wobbuffet. We're just assuming that we're in the Pokemon world here. The man wrinkles his nose, then turns disrespectfully to the Pokemon, not covering his mouth, and sneezes. Achoo! The shot slows down to a disgusting slow-mo of the sneeze leaving his nose. The focus of the slow-mo shot adjusts to a translucent wall being built in the background. A mirror coat! Because apparently sneezing is a special type move. The shot ends with the man covered in his own snot, and the Wobbuffet saluting going, Wobbuffet! Like, I want to get this animated. I think this is fucking hilarious. But yeah, I've started, wait, what was the context of this? There was some context to this, but I've started writing down my stupid dream ideas. But right? To be fair, that's legitimately hilarious. Right? Kind of. I think it's a little bit funny. You'll be so pissed at life when you find more income from packing peanuts than open source. You're not wrong. Honestly, I would make so much more money from packing peanuts than from open source, but yeah, that's the way things go. Jar, hello, how you doing? Out of all Pokemon, of course, we go Wobbuffet. Well, what else learns Mirror Coat that's not? Well, no other Pokemon that learns Mirror Coat would be as funny as Wobbuffet. You know? Do Anthony's dream of eclectic Pokemon? Do you mean electric Pokemon? Jar says, hello there, sir. How are you? I'm doing all right. Okay, I need to write a test for this, so that I can actually release this with some amount of inebriation. How do I even do this? If we don't have an existing test for this, is the other problem. So I don't know how I tested this in the first place. I know there's a test for this because this has 100% test coverage, but I don't know what tests it. Ooh, that sounded important. No, this is a woo buffet. That's the perfect Pokemon. Right, Qualsy. Wobbuffet is the perfect Pokemon for that. Are you inebriated? Yeah. Chat agreed that I would get something less than 11%, so I got 9%. But it's great. I'm a lightweight. It means I'm cheap. I'm a cheap date. We're gonna ignore that intrusive thought. Nope, everything's fine. I know there's a test in here for this, right? Oh, you know what? I probably test the behavior, which is probably more important. Holy shit. Oh, okay. I was like, why are there so many arguments there? It's one of these additional dependencies tests, surely. It's one of the old tests too. Oh, you know what I can do? I can find the last thing that touched this. Make additional dependencies roll forward safe. Yes, this is when I introduced this behavior, so we can, assuming that I was a good open source developer, I wrote a test for this, right? Oh, I killed simple JSON. Good job me. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Grab this. Oh, thank God it still exists. Is this the right file? It's the wrong file. Wait, maybe it didn't match. Oh, it didn't match. Oh, I've gotten rid of this test. Oh wait, no, it's in this file. Okay, yeah, no, we're good. Oh, I scammed you again. We're gonna use Vim. Roll forward. I need to stop missing the start of streams on Mondays. Well, I mean, I've not had that much to drink. The answer says always having dots starting coverage RC. Easy 100% test coverage. Hey. Hey, need to keep the product managers in line so no one else does? Yeah, that happens. George says, I don't know how I can check if your processor is compatible with blah blah blah. Need to upgrade. Yes, okay. If you have not gone to this website before, this website is amazing. This website is amazing. PC Part Picker. It does all the compatibility bullshit for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Yeah. This website is a life changer. I'm not sponsored in any way. It's just this website's great. I need to build a new computer soon at some point, but because surprise, this machine I'm running 2018, and the worst part that I realized that I need to build a new computer is I bought a laptop, and it wasn't anything impressive from a specs perspective, but my laptop in a virtual machine runs all of the software that I write in like a fraction the amount of time. like I always am like, oh yeah, if you go into PyUpgrade and run the tests, oh yeah, the tests complete real quickly, like well, after the Tox does its bullshit, but ooh, we can run 1001 tests in 4 seconds. That's so fast. It completes in under a second on my laptop. Like, processors have gotten so much better since 2018. But yeah, that just was just like, well, I guess I need to build a new computer. Ju says your motorcycle leg Pokemon is freaking me out. Yeah, I really don't like what is his fucking name? Koraidon. Miraidon is the better one. But that's the game I have downstairs, so this is Koraidon, so you have to deal with the weird leggy motorcycle. The meme about the game, without spoiling too much, I guess. The meme of the game is that Koraidon is the past Pokemon, and Miraidon is the future Pokemon, and the present day Pokemon is Cyclizar. So if we look at Cyclizar, this is the present day Piki Piki Pokemon. Sorry, Piki Piki is motorcycle in Swahili. It's one of the like 2 words I know. This is the present day motorcycle Pokemon. And then there's Miraidon, which is the future Pokemon, which this is its battle. Where's the non-battle form? We have to Bulbapedia this instead. Bulbapedia. Shit. Well, that's the battle form. Where's the non-battle form? Yeah. Okay. So this is what this Pika Pika looks like in ride form, where it's like a cool fucking motorcycle. But then Koraidon is the past form, and so it looks like more of a lizard, less of a motorcycle. I don't know. There's some lore to this, but yeah, that's why it's weird. What are the wheels in for? Yeah, exactly. Vending machine and level and high visors. Class. I don't know anything about that. A Tron bike, yeah. Nani? Yeah, that was an accidental reply. C-Python's raw test takes 20 minutes to complete on my machine. Oh, you probably haven't even run the C-Python has a slow suite too, so you're probably even skipping those tests. Oh, we found the test for this though, right? Right. Roll forward. Yeah, so we can write a similar test to this. Chris Bosch says, do you know any good offline voice recognition add-on? The last time I dabbled with voice recognition was a piece of software called Dragon. And not Dragon D's nuts. Oh, there's so many words that have been ruined by the internet. Jamie Pratt says, say it? Say it? I did. I already went there. It's too late. But there was this voice recognition software called Dragon, and I don't know if it's any good anymore. But yeah. I have no idea. Sorry. Power upgrade test on 310, 2.9, 311, 2.04, 311 is so nice. Yeah, it does make it pretty fast. Dragon was the OG for voice recognition. It was. Windows voice recognition is awesome, except for the Microsoft spying on you part and the fact that it's not offline. I don't know. I try and avoid. I wouldn't say that I try and avoid, but I would say I avoid open source voice recognition. Okay, what is going on here? I basically want to replicate this test. Whoop. All right, Vim fucking kills me. I want to replicate this test, but delete the v1 state file. Actually, I can do it simpler than that. Yeah. Dev test repository state ignores v1 when missing. Enter factory store. How am I gonna do this? How am I going to do this? She says, holy shit, the words closed won't fix makes me so angry. I wonder if there's a version of tech doming for PMs where they just close all your Jiras won't fix. Oh man, I feel like we've got another like skit idea where it's like Daddy, can you dress up as a software engineer and close all my PRs as won't fix? Or issues, I guess. Damn, I ruined the clip. There's totally a thing for that, Juice. There's totally a thing. It's 100%. That's got to be someone's kink somewhere. Oh yeah, tell me to search the issue tracker again. Oh please. Oh, I didn't give you reproduction steps. Yes, reproduce with me instead. I think that's 100% a thing, right? There's a lection out there about cutting my voice in Vim using Dragonfly. Wow. Wow. Reassign all my tickets to priority 5. Yeah, the funny thing is like anything lower than 2 is like don't do. 5 is like get fucked, asshole. We had a priority at Yelp called 3.14, which was lol never. I can't believe you reopened my closed ticket. Yeah. I left to get a drink. What did I come back to? I can't help you there. I don't know. Okay. Oh shit. Since I scammed you, pre-commit repository. You know what? This function doesn't need to exist. Oh, as the path on exist state file name v2 we have. Okay, so undo is U, but redo is Control R. Stupid Vim. Obviously makes sense. If we comment this out, we can write a test that should fail based on this. So we make this, and then config equals make config from repo path. How do I do this? Basically, I want to make sure that the it's gonna suck. It's gonna suck. Appreciate is open source Python work. That's why I came back. This is our OnlyFans shtick, Jira doming. And I ain't talking about no document object model. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Kegis says, I apologize beforehand, but pre-commit. Yeah, no, so many people have made that joke. In fact, God, when was the first time? Probably the first time was my friend Max. No, I can't tell you the story. Never mind. Yeah. Can't tell you that story. Sorry. Yeah, that one that one's staying in the brain. You'd have to get me blackout on stream to get that one out of me. That one's not, nope, not happening. How do I test this at all? I guess I could look at what actually uses this. Guess I could run this function. Yeah, I could just run this function. A little bit of implementation behavior, but sure. Hook equals get hook. I would like you to elaborate. We're still in Vim. Should I get him blackout during co-stream? So how about them Cowboys? I don't know anything about football. I should have said something funnier, like I don't know anything about. I don't know. Everyone knows the Cowboys are football, right? The elevator of my office building is broken for months, so I wrote / am writing a tool to render GitHub issues as a joke to stick on the elevator. No. Oh no. That's pretty funny. This is funny because it looks almost like the issue template that I use for pre-commit. Actually, honestly, if people filled out these 4 fucking things in an issue, dude, fucking utopia.jpg, People do these 4 things and open source is fixed. I don't get mad at people anymore. I don't have to be salty. Just like these fucking 4 things. Maybe 5 things. These 4 things, and they search the issue tracker first. That's how we get there. That's how we get there. Clearly false. Look at the issue number. 42069. Honestly, how close are we in Century? I feel like we passed that number at Stripe. Oh my god, GitHub, get your shit together. Yeah, no, we already passed 42069 here. I think somebody opened it as a meme too. No! Armin got 42069! And I approved it! Yes, let's fucking go! I have cemented my part in history. Oh, it's locked. I think I can unlock it on my other account. Hang on. Bro. No one even noticed either. That's the worst part. What? How did he not notice? How did I not notice? I must have just been like, oh yeah, fucking... Yeah, 69. Bad password. Actually, you gotta look at my face for a sec. Not notice what? The issue is 42069. The issue is the best issue number ever. Okay. Let's show this again. Do I have permission to unlock this? I do. Yeah, we have fun here. I'm totally not gonna get asked about this later. Wait, what was the original reason? Does it not tell me? Fuck. What does stale.log lock things as? Resolved? Surely it's resolved, right? Okay, anyway. That's my I have fun at work for. Oh, this is funny. It's funny, it doesn't even show that it's me. That's even better. Only Sentry employees will know that it's me. And I guess all of you in chat. That will come in a 101? Nah, my manager's fun. Octavius! Yo, thank you for the resub at 23 months. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Locked is too heated? Yeah. Wait, what was the date here? February 30th. Oh, nice. Nice. Very low priority. Status backlog won't fix. Too heated. January 69th. Nice. I approve. I like this. Pot of Greed says, question, if I were to add a bunch of new keys to an existing dict, how bad is unpacking it and adding new keys in line? Are you talking about mutating dicts? November 32nd. Yeah. I'm not a fan of mutating dicks. Not gonna lie. Leave the dicks alone. Make new dicks instead. GitHub sponsors is moving to credit and debit card payments only. What the fuck were they accepting before? Oh, no longer supports PayPal as a payment browser. Yeah, I don't give a shit, GitHub. Cool. Cool story, bro. Oh! Today's auto update day. What got updated? What changed here? What did I release that I forgot about? Oh, AutoPep 8 made it release. Oh, I'm about to get a bunch of pull requests. No. Oh, maybe this thing released. feel like Autopipate released a while ago. Oh yeah, it's this one. Okay, we're good. We're good about it. I can't merge that one in. Sorry, I'm not gonna show that one on stream. Should have had HR peeps to your stream so you can tell them that you read. No, it's fine. Armin will get a laugh out of it. That's the best part. Kidem has a fancy thing with relative data and issues. Yeah. It's actually very cool. I've been trying to. I haven't finished it, but Frequency I is supposed to do that at some point. I just haven't bothered writing the JavaScript code for it. But if you look at any commit here, there's supposed to be JavaScript code that magically turns this into the right thing. I just can't be asked to do it, but yeah, at some point I'll do that. I just haven't yet. Okay, so we have a hook. We need to. Do we use this somewhere? Oh, we do. Oh shit, that's not what I want. Shift V. Yank? Look at me knowing Vim shit. Yank and unyank. If the OS dot remove what's my path that join after install state v1 set repository dot hook installed hook is true. This test should be failing. It's probably failing for a different reason. Probably failing for attribute error. Yeah. Lily should be hook installed. They probably should have used a script repo, although they don't have it installed here. Ah, damn. Test failing, good. And then we uncomment this. Should be passing. Relative time? They probably have a JavaScript that does that instead. They probably have JavaScript that picks that up. Unless that's a thing. Relative time HTML. Yeah, they invented a thing. It's a web component. Okay, I'm gonna go grab another beer. I'll be right back, and then we'll finish this change. Nice. And I'll see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Yeah. Yeah, I expect being offensive. That's true to Major Noodles. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Useless Pony, how you doing? Hey, we're drinking something new, but not new. But new. And it's only 4%, so it's barely a beer. I know it looks the same as what we've had before, but this one is strawberry instead of fucking raspberry. So it's new, right? Yeah. Andy Glover, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Just says, my hands are so sweaty and I don't know why. Mom spaghetti. Mom spaghetti. That's why. Oh, it's a weird color. Oh, it smells good though. I guess it's less of a weird color here. It was more like an orange. I guess it still looks a little orangey, right? And you can't see it as orange as I see it. But anyway, a little orangey. Here's chat. Age 573. Hello. How you doing? I don't like it. I don't like it. It smells like butyric acid. I'm not a fan. I'll drink it anyway, but for those that are not familiar with butyric acid, the reason that it's named butyric acid is a funny little, actually butane in general, butyric, 4 carbon chains. Oh, I don't have this open. The reason that it's named butyric, the BUT, is because it's the smell of rancid butter. It is also the predominant chemical in vomit. It's what gives vomit its smell. But as long as I don't smell, it tastes fine. But it smells like butyric acid. Brog, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Wolford says I'm trying to eat over here. Listen, I'm trying to drink over here. But I've not had Lindemans in forever. I'm a big fan. Although from now on, I'm sticking to the raspberry one. Well, yeah. Well, this fucking nerd knows more chemistry than you need to. But does it have health benefits? Oh my god. I'm just imagining right now, like, someone tricking some, like, fucking snake oil alternative health person into consuming a bunch of butyric acid. Here, have this disgusting rancid butter smelling ass chemical. Yeah, it'll cure all of your problems. Fuck, that would be good. That would be the shit, wouldn't it? My yogi told me butyric acid enemas cleanses the soul. Yeah, wouldn't that be the day? Wouldn't that be the day? And of course, it wouldn't be Vim if it didn't have trailing white space. Oh, we got a swap file too? Go away. Alright. Install stay OE2. Deprecate install state v1 or introduce install state v2 to replace v1. The v1 state is unnecessary since new repos are created for new additional dependencies. Yes, yes. Sweet. More Vim! Thank you for the bits, Kexit. Appreciate it. Not vomit and Neo-Vim have a left. Oh my god, that's great. NGBUF, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Damn, that's a tweet and a half right there. I don't think I could tweet that though. I think I would get flamed more than I already do. Like, what spicy shit did I say today? Not even that spicy, but I feel like people are like, hey, look at this asshole. What did I say today? This one isn't spicy, it's just funny. LibCube became LibLube. This one. What did you try? N/A? Fucking assholes. Developers would literally write an essay instead of searching the issue checker. Yeah, that one's fucking classy, right? It's time to get spicy, Anthbonk. Listen, I can't call out misogynists like you do, Juice. You're on a whole different level. Pylang, hello, how you doing? Vim has a Levenstein of 3 to vomit, even better. True. Okay, git push origin head. All right, while this one is merging, it's gonna take me 30 minutes to write a changelog. I hope not. Maybe it will because I'm drinking. As long as it's not with me, I'm happy. I'm neutral. You're in your Duffy. I call it misogynist. They never respond. It's pretty funny. Yeah, well, doesn't super surprise there. What about Ikunin now, though? Ikunin is just Levenstein, but Levenstein, but bounded. It's still the same. It should produce the same result if you make the number big, in theory. Yeah, Wolfred, I still don't completely understand what being in the Duffy is, but for you. Still like my response to your N/A tweet? Yeah, your division of N by A. Okay, while this is running, we're gonna write a changelog, which is my least favorite part of open source. But since this project is popular, I have to do stupid things like write changelogs. So let's do it. Changelog. Oh, we're in Vim. Oh, 2023! Happy New Year! Is this still January? It is. Gross. Okay. Git log, one line, first appearance, decorates, and I've just realized that I'm free from Vim, so fuck this noise. Oh, I'm no longer free from Vim. Fuck. Damn it. Happy new lunar year. Indeed, indeed, Tofu. Indeed, indeed. Alright. We have Witchers, and we have... What did I call it before? Dep? Break? Updating. I guess I should just search for 2.0.0. 2.0.0. Updating. Yeah, that's what I usually call it. You don't like Town Crier? Yeah, we've talked about this a bunch of times. The problem with Town Crier is I spend more time telling people to get it right in their pull requests than I would just if I did it myself. So Town Crier adds a dependency, adds a workflow, makes a reviews a pain in the ass, and costs me more time than just fucking doing it myself. So while I hate making, changelogs myself, I would spend more time and be more pissed off if I used a workflow tool to do it instead. That's why I don't do it. Jovi8, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh no. Oh no. You'll never be free from him. Oh no. That's a good time. That's a good time. That's good timing. Okay, updating is the section that I use for this. GG. GG. Alright. Updating. Spelling is hard. Okay. Drop support for Python less than 3.8. Oh god, it's tabs. Gross. And 2655 PR by me. Oh, the other ones. Let's see. 2656. Do they have? I'm pretty sure I put the error message in these PRs specifically so that people can find them. Yes. Okay, good. So in theory, a coffee chat. Have fun with that, Juice. I know how much of a dumpster fire those usually are. AKA Juice becomes a therapist for 25 minutes while people sob to her. Yep, yep. Okay, in theory, I don't need to call out the specific error message in the changelog because surely someone will go like this and they'll go to Google and they'll type it in. There's no results? GitHub, Google, what are you doing? Really? Why? I literally spent extra time to write these into this commit message just so it would show up on Google. If you use Town Crimer, you might spend less time explaining why you don't use Town Crimer. I feel like Google's gotten worse at searching. Yeah, you know what I could do? I could make a bunch of self-answered Stack Overflow questions, and then Google would surely find those, right? Realization is harsh? Yeah, like why the fuck? Why the fuck would I do this? But yeah, this has been producing a warning since July of 2020. It's because it's in a code block? Kill me. Can you do that for us, anything? I'd like to cry to you. What am I doing? I forget already. Side effect I changed my GitHub username is that many Google results 404 and there's no redirect. That sucks. Damn. This is really fucking annoying. I think I'm gonna make a bunch of self-answered Stack Overflow posts for these, just because it'll slightly reduce this. And I know Google will index Stack Overflow, right? Oh, I'm not logged in here. Damn it, man. Let's just say something extremely degenerate in DMs. Yep. Nope. Nope. Does that mean if you need to call it the error message in the release notes? Yeah, I don't really want to. Can you do self-answers Stack Overflow questions? Yeah, 100%. Victor Vicky, hello, hello. How you doing? Where are those baubles? What are those baubles between the keyboard halves? They spin. They look cool. I don't know. The secret Anthony account? This is not secret at all. Literally is my full fucking name. Recommit is failing with... See, I want this for GitHub. That's so much to ask. Is that so much to ask? The camera doesn't hide anything. There's nothing over there. That guy probably doesn't show your username there. I want this for GitHub. Damn it! I want this for GitHub! I'd slam my desk, but I'm pretty sure that's not a good idea. Um, I've been using the recommit tool for years, and it's worked great until recently when it started failing with a mysterious error message. God, I have to pretend I'm an idiot for a while. Sucks. How do I fix this? Oh, it suggested the git tag. That's wild. This error per particular case has been warning since July of 2020 with an error with a message similar to this. Fortunately, even if you've already upgraded to recommit 3.0, which drops support for this format, you can still run recommit migrate config, which will update your configuration to a ported format. Disclaimer, I authored recommits. Oh, I should include this. Ooh, there's a little paste box there. Look at that. Very nice. Okay. I'm using the Pigment tool for years, and it's worked great until recently when it started feeling a bit serious. How do I fix this? Pigment tag. Were you? Googlish. Cool. Alright. The mysterious error message in the home directory of the maintainer of Pigment. Strange. Yeah. Upgrade to 3.00431. Listen. Drop support for top level list. Use pre-commit migrate config. Update. This is 2656. PR by me. Alright, we're gonna do the next one. Drop support for SHA to specify revision. Use pre-commit migrate config to update. 2657. PR by me. Alright, we gotta do another one of these fucking things because I don't think the other one's gonna search either. 2657. See if this gives us results. How did they fuck this up? This is unrelated, but how did they fuck this up? After any nitpick fix, a predicament config was created. Yeah, this one's fucked. This one's fucked. They're all fucked. Oh, piece of shit. Fucking yeah. Dude, what the fuck? God, what an asshole. What a fucking pain in my ass. Alright, well. That's why you can't have these things. Why you can't have nice things? Fucking sucks. Alright, well, such is life. Great, because your signature in Stack Overflow is I created predicament. Yeah. Yeah. Mark is correct. I don't think I can yet. Yeah, you can accept your own answer in 2 days. Yeah, I gotta wait. We wait to farm karma and Stack Overflow, develop a widely used library, deprecate features, and post answers. That's not my goal. My goal is so that people don't flood my inbox with stupid shit. LeBron James says, your keyboard looks wild. It is not that wild. We want a wine sipping Anthon? This isn't even wine, it's just beer. Depressed man with his vomit beer. Still surprised me when people can't figure out how to use predicament. It's so easy. Right? It's so fucking simple, and people still can't fucking figure it out. Drives me insane. Oh, we got an upvote. Thank you. Thank you, probably viewer that has upvoted both these. Alkaline. Hello, hello. How you doing? All right. Use the same template here. Bop. Boop. How do I fix this? Answer your own question. What did I say here? A particular case has been warning since May of 2019. Damn, that was an old one. Double has received a gift sub from Kexit, and you have a fancy new badge. Thank you for the gift sub, Kexit. I appreciate it. I was tempted. I was unable to install Predicament 3.0. Soon. Latjar says, oops, sorry, wrong chat. Oh, I was going to say, I don't know what that link's about. Your particular case has been warning since May of 2019. Yes. You can fix your case by running recommit migrate config, which will update strong to rev. Bop, 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 bop. Console this. Disclaimer, I wrote pre-commit. Bop. Wilfred says, don't talk to me. I said hi to you early, Pylang. Okay. Publish. Let's fucking go. All right. I've done my due diligence. All right, sick. That one's not useful. This one. Remove. Oh, it's not. Oh, thank God it's not RST. Validate config. And pre-commit validate manifest. Use pre-commit validate config and validate manifest instead. 2658. Here by me. I'm not gonna bother with a thing for that. Turtle4D, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Wilfred has also gifted a sub to Pylang. Appreciate that, Wilfred. How does auto update deal with this? Auto update, pre-commit CI auto update. Yeah, auto update. Both auto update and pre-commit CI auto update both fix this automatically. So don't have to worry about that. Don't have to deal with that at all. All right, 2661 should be that. 2662. Be that. 2665 shouldn't matter. 2666 is important though. Right? Exit. Thank you for the 251 bits. And J-Lu, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What bus? What bus in 3.0 is bussin' overall, says Wilfred. Yeah, there you go. That doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. We reverted it. That doesn't matter. This one matters. Language Golang must use go.mod to specify and NCs. God, I hope this person's right. I don't know. Hereby, well, our test passed, so surely it's right. We don't support ancient ass versions of Go, and Go made this breaking change, so it's not my problem, right? Doesn't matter. 2686, this one is important, right? This was a bug fix. We're showing our age right now. I'm pretty sure bussin' is not my generation whatsoever. This is only fixes. Do I do fixes second? Yeah, fix it. Improve error message. Man, so the great part about YouTube fixing their bug is this song used to loop. But it's not gonna loop anymore. Pre-commit package manager when it's already a package manager case. It already accidentally became a package manager. I've already unfortunately crossed that bridge. For invalid YAML. Did you see how I automatically typed invalidate? God, I'm so brain broken. Improve error message for invalid YAML for pre-commit auto update. $26.86 by me, and then issue number should be 1 minus that, right? 2685. Thank God, Karsten. Okay. 2681. Make language going. Hey, bootstrap go if not present. I was gonna say make it a first-class language, but that doesn't mean anything to anyone else. 2651 PR by good old Taufik. I think that one has an issue associated with it too, so we're gonna call that one out. Upload. There we go. Oh. Oh, also them. Oops. 2649 PR by my paste buffer. It is. Paste the sun. I don't know where this is going. Fixes, I guess. Not really fixed. It's not really a feature. It's not really a breaking change. Repo local no longer provisions a git an empty git. Oh. 2699 PR by me. Is YouTube enhancer plugin for looping the YouTube version is buggy? No. So that's the thing. We run a quote unquote copyright free music playlist, and for the longest time, because these two songs were the same song in a row, YouTube would just play this song forever until I skip to the next song. But YouTube has since fixed their bug, so it will automatically progress to the next song, whereas before I would just loop forever, and it fucking sucked. And my brain has memorized that this is one of the songs that loops. Oh, good call. Oh my god, what have I done? I pressed the up arrow, but I thought I was here. I'm sorry, chat. It wasn't louder than I talk, so it's fine. Oh no, did they regress their bug? Oh man. Maybe this is the second time. Maybe it plays the song twice and then it doesn't loop. Oh, I just got done praising YouTube, and if they fucked it, I'm gonna be so sad. We're gonna let it play one more time. I feel like this song's been playing for 15 minutes. No, I'm not. No. 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 There's no way. Of the pro and re, it sounds like they chose the wrong question. Yeah. Right? Okay, don't have to do this, don't have to do that. This is an important one. Language conseil now supports additional dependencies and repo local. Ooh, fits on one line. Nice. 2702 PR by me. And then no up. This one. Upgrade Ruby build to 2022 1225. Merry Christmas. 2718. And then the last one doesn't matter. The last one I don't need to call in the changelog. So we just gotta wait for this to merge. Oh no. No. That doesn't even make sense. No. No. Sad panda. The fuck you mean? Oh. Right. That's fair, that's fair. That's fair. That's fair. Why is it object and not dict? So past me, the thought here was that these are two opaque objects that I will never need to manipulate. So the return value here is entirely implementation details that only needs to support equal equal. So that's why these return object and nullable object. We don't actually care about the value here. With open return, what's the point of with then? It closes the file descriptor. Otherwise, you leak your file descriptor. And you might be like, well, the destructor of the file object closes it. Yeah, well, in CPython it does, but PyPy doesn't necessarily do it. JSON.load is fdict? Yeah. Isn't it close the FD before reading? No? This reading happens inside the context manager. I guarantee you this works. I can't think of how your brain doesn't this work, but trust. It's great because I can look at my camera and have my hair obscure it. Oh, it's not long enough for me to be emo though. See, I don't need a haircut, chat. What are you talking about? I don't need a haircut. I don't need a haircut, Mom. Why is this running so many tests? Oh, because I have fucked up. This is what I wanted to do. Oh. Except I renamed the test. Feels unnatural? Oh, you're just wrong. I can't help you. I can't help you. The song is looping? Damn it, YouTube! You fixed your fucking bug and now it's broken again! Oh! Fuck. So stupid. Alright, what are we gonna do for 30 minutes, chat? Damn, I was so happy when they fixed the bug and now it's fucking broken again. Fucking broken again! You had one job, YouTube! Joining Google to fix the bug inside. They've already fixed it. They've just rolled it back. They just rolled back their fix for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, I wish they would have just rolled it forward. But it means someone is working on it. It means someone is finally working on it. So I've got a little bit of the faith that they'll fix it again. Even with the 8 seconds of queue, it's so fast. What are we gonna do for 30 minutes? Oh, I know what we're gonna do for 30 minutes. I've been meaning to set up. I'm meaning to see if VMware is as fucked as VirtualBox. Yes. I have a disk image. Linux.iso. Where would this be? The VMs? The ISOs? Oh, we do have a 2204 ISO image here. Look at that. The Ubuntu will use easy install. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, man. Sorry. I just have repressed trauma about easy install. Not this easy install, but a different easy install. Can I tell it to not use easy install? How do I turn this off? Oh, God. What? Easy install for Linux guests. How do I make it not? Maybe I click this button. Linux. Why does it default to 32-bit? VMs. New folder. VMware. Ubuntu. VMware? Ubuntu. Oh god, the Pokemon bot is fucked. Yeah, I spelled that right. You fucking kidding me? What? Why did it call it new folder? Redenzo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I need to get Pregament Premium. I'm tired of the queue. Yeah. Well, I mean the queue's not that bad, right? Is there a way we could benchmark the two VMs against each other? For me, it's just a very occasional why is shit randomly so slow. For me, it's this problem. Of course, now I can't reproduce it. But sometimes when I drag my mouse and then I unclick, oh there, you saw the little squiggle at the end? It doesn't unclick until I move. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I unclick. Oh, that one didn't do it. Yeah, there we go. See how it still has the little movie icon? It still thinks my mouse is clicked down. So as soon as I move it, you see how it moves a little bit? That thing drives me nuts. Because sometimes it really fucks shit up. I gotta fix this though. Ooh, I wonder if I can fix this without it fucking up. Probably not. Oh damn, a lot of eggs this time. Oh god, no! Excuse me while I play Pokemon using the terminal. And try and min-max the number of box movements that I need to do here. Oh, I fucked up. Oh god. Nope. Nope. Capital A. Chris Pryor, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. So let's go. Igorovic, hello, hello. Truly, how's it going? Is Control Backspace working on Windows? I have no idea. No idea. You should let us play. We did that for a while. Don't think it's a good idea, but VMware. All right, next. Maximum disk size. We're gonna set it to 100. Splitting the disk may make it easier to move the virtual machine to another computer. It may reduce performance. Like that. One big disk. Customize hardware. Ooh. 16 gigs. Processors. How does it let me do 32? I don't even have that many cores. 6. I don't know what I want here. We're gonna leave all those alone. Wait, why did it set memory to 17.1? Sus? Oh, because I see. Because I fuck up. It's not their fault, it's my fault. I don't know the rest of these. Sure, sounds good. Finish. Is this an update of VMbox? I'm trying VMware because something about VirtualBox has been pissing me off. Cannot connect virtual dice SATA 01. Yes. What is it doing? Don't think it's working. I totally did what I wanted. Oh, I've never used VMware before, so I'm trying to figure it out. How do I give it a CD? Use ISO. That sounds like what we want. The ISOs. This one. Now maybe it'll let us start. VMware's a pain, says OXBrow. Following devices can be connected. Okay, don't care. Try or install Ubuntu. Explains Ubuntu VM, but with VMware. Yeah, right? If only I had made a video about this. But this is literally my first time using VMware. Yeah, I don't know how to escape dashes. I don't know that there's actually a way. Oh, sorry about that. I like how it very clearly says non-commercial use only in the title bar. If this works, I'll pay for it. But if it doesn't work, then yeah, well, such is life. I forgot about that. Sorry, chat. Oh shit, scared the goddamn shit out of me. All right, continue. I thought we unlocked a new Pokemon achievement. Yeah. Install now. No, the Pokemon is muted. It does actually make a sound though. But I don't think you want to hear this over and over and over. Except when it makes the shiny noise. Which that one's not shiny, but yeah. I did I click this button? I thought I clicked that button already. I guess not. Ever gone into the mythical Linux distro rabbit hole? No, I don't want to do that. New York, close enough. Hey, so Tilly. Bad password. Oh, wow, they've started classifying bad password as a weak password. It used to say strong password. Interesting. Very interesting. But if VMware fixes my shit, then why did you bother wasting your time here? Cool story, bro. Did you read the fucking original post? You literally just quoted the front. This is a spammer. There's a spammer that forked Flake 8. What are they doing? Yeah, they're a spammer. Spammer. Oh, I'm so happy. This field is so good. I'm so happy to get him out of this. Block. Spam. Spammer. Bye, bitch. That was a weird little flip-flop that happened there. What did it do here? Did it actually do what I wanted it to do? Yeah. Sick! Let's fucking go! Is 149 a month per year or forever? They're playing over sucks. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I'll just pay with it with Open Collective, so it's sort of not my money. Title: I'm not jammy. Cinematic jellyfish Ubuntu. Yeah, this is totally not a fudged output here, but it's pretty funny. Right, I cannot show you what I'm looking at. But you can get a free license being an open source maintainer? Yeah. It's for work, costs are justified. It's not for work. I do have a work license for this though. But Gosround, hello. How you doing? I do actually have a VMware work license that I have not used yet. My god, why? Oh shit, I gotta get paid. No, JUnit came after Python. I'm doing alright. I've been considering a Linux machine as my main computer. I've done it a few times, but I don't know that I would be completely happy with it. But then again, like, when's the last time I played video games? And when was the last time I played video games other than Minecraft? Which is, I think, the actual question. I guess I've played Borderlands 3 that I still haven't finished, that my friend and I need to finish. But I mean, realistically, most of the games that I play are Minecraft and FTL, and both of those run on Linux. So, oh fuck, you know, Borderlands might even run on Linux. But I don't know. Piling, hello. What? Oh, you just said Anthony, nothing else. Proton has gotten quite good. Proton's just wine, and I know the crazy bullshit that the wine has to do to make it work, and it's never gonna work for all the like virtualization bullshit, blah blah blah. You know, DRM. Blah. It's the year of Linux on the desktop, though. Just like every other year. Bum ba 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 bum ba 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 bum. Dan 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 dan. Dan 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 dan. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Dan. If that doesn't get them to talk in chat, I don't know what will. But you know what? Sometimes we try. Game QG. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm over here struggling with WSL and IntelliJelly. Yeah. That makes sense. Dude, what the fuck? Why is this not finished yet? What a weird stream title, Allie. Golang or React, they are completely unrelated technologies. They are not comparable. That's a fun thing. The word comparable or comparable. Have you ever thought about that? How they're the same word? But like, which word would you use? Comparable or comparable? I feel like comparable is also something invented by programmers. And it's not actually a real word. And the real word is comparable. Details has gifted a sub to Dan 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 Dan. Thank you for the gift sub, D-Nels. Hey, you got them to talk in chat. Perfect. Welcome, welcome, Dan 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 Dan. Ban password. Okay. Oh god. Skip. No. Next. Done. Alright, what is the quick start to get things working? Time for my annual name change. Wilfred, you've changed your name like 4 times since the stream. Are you gonna be Wilfred? Wilfred? I don't think that works. You're gonna have to come up with something different than that. I don't know how shared folders work in VMware. Surely if we power it off, we'll be able to edit it though. No, we'll do it this way. Wilfred. 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 Following devices are getting connected. I just fuck off. I don't give a shit. Go away. VMware. Is there not a shared folders? You can defrag. Oh, that's cute. Oh, don't care about that. Shared folders. Here we go. Add shared folder wizard. Oh my god. This feels like some fucking 90s installer bullshit. Oh. No, not there. No. VMware Ubuntu 2204 shared. It's gonna select it as new folder. Oh, it did this time. Look at that. Next, finish. Okay, so put some SSH keys in there real quick. Copy. Paste. Seems fine. And now we start it again. I love watching the block swing right. Oh man, I fucking love the old defrag. Virtual machine Ubuntu 64-bit is busy. Busy doing what? Man, this software is not giving me confidence. The fuck is this? It's busy. Yeah, I know. I told you to start. You better be busy. English is a wrecked language, so I can't play pronunciation games with it. Webster considered adding goat to the dictionary. Yeah, well, the Zoomers will win eventually, and then we'll have whatever fucking generation comes after them. Alright, does this mount in the same way? What are you? Where's my shared folder? What the fuck? Where's my shared folder? I like how that was the recommended. Jake/mount/HGFS. No, I don't have that. You don't see your shared folders inside. Install this. Bad password. Ow. That doesn't exist either. Did I install something? I'm gonna try you. Yeah, random copy paste sudo commands. They're both installed. I muted you. Why are you making noise again? Open VM tools. C package dash capital L. No, that's okay. Too many O's. None of those things are there. That shit looks way too complicated. VMware HGFS mounter. That's not a thing either. Where's this stupid Perl script? Oh my god. Did you do click virtual machine install VMware tools? Where is that? It's grayed out. What the fuck? What am I supposed to do, Zebrow? What the fuck? Good. Should I turn it off and turn it on? We already did that. Okay, let me read this long one. VMHGFS fuse. It's weird that it's fuse, but it's run as root. I guess we could run this. Seems like a pain in the ass. Bad mount point. That worked, but it shouldn't have. I don't like that I had to run some random ass fucking command. In VirtualBox it just works. Hey, right, Zebra? Wait, I know you from somewhere. Your name is so familiar. Do I know you from more than Twitch chat? I feel like I know you from like GitHub somewhere, but you use like a different name on GitHub. Oh god. What is this password? Oh wait, let's see, SSH key. Oh, I have it in my password manager. Okay, good. What could go wrong? You're a perpetual online creeper. Oh no. Alright, let's see if it bootstraps a VM. Oh, what? Windows is completed before Linux? Immediately suspicious. That never happens. Weird. Honestly, it's so variable because of Conda. Oh boy. Oh no. My puppet setup broken? Let me resize you. Dude, what is this? What the fuck is going on? Oh, there's a little thing. Nope. I guess you just can't drag it from the corner. Oh, there's literally only one pixel you can grab? This is not optimized for inebriated Linuxing. Uninitialized constant concurrent Ruby thread local var. Excuse me, what the fuck? Puppet 716, what do I have here? I have the same version here. 302. It's the same version. Well, time to Google the error message. Man, I wish everyone else would do this, and then I wouldn't have some problem. Oh no. No results. I bet I'm missing some standard library thing. No results for this? No. Truly cursed timeline. Little fishing guy, yeah. My mistake was making Z-brow some things in ZE brow. Eighth wall. A new AWS region in Australia. Interesting. That thing says I'm famous. Why am I famous? Because I got no results from an error message. Okay, my next guess is some dependency of Puppet is fucked, and I need to upgrade Puppet. Which is certainly a thing. Concurrent Ruby 120. What do we have here? 1110. So why would you fucking break shit in a goddamn patch release, you dickheads? I guess it wasn't a patch release, in a minor release. This is not a helpful page. Current Ruby GitHub. Yeah, how do you justify this, you dicks? This song loops too. What was the error message? I forget the error message already, so I can go for it. Ruby thread local var. Disgusting. It's not mentioned here at all. Is GitHub fucking me? What is going on here? Patch was released today? Really? I'm getting fucked by something that literally was released today? Is that why there's no results? Yeah. Literally released today. You stupid fucks. So dumb. Someone else complain about this? No? Ugh. Yeah, someone else has complained about this. Asshole. Puppet. Yeah, putting Ruby in front of your class name does not obviously make it a private variable. Been released yet? 7/21. Time to upgrade Puppet! Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Bad password. This is why you pin dependencies? Yeah, but you shouldn't break stuff like this. The defense of it is so weak too. Like, well, it was prefixed with the word Ruby, so obviously it was a private variable. No, you asshole. Apparently, concurrent Ruby sucks. Yeah, I'll fucking call them out. Yeah, they'll get a little mention in their little issue tracker. Souls. Yeah, typing with a pen in your hand, not necessarily the best play. Alright, I hope I show up here. Thank God. Dicks. Alright. Get bold, try again. The variable start with an underscore. If it started with an underscore, by all means, like, fucking break me. It's still broken? But it's still broken. But we're in 721. Context RB. They didn't actually fix the bug. Oh, this isn't a fix. This is just a reference to... God. The wrong version? It's 1.1.10, not 1.10.0. Clowns, all of them clowns. Uh-oh. Why is it doing Pi things? Oh, this must have been what I pulled from master. All code sucks, chat. All code sucks. Well, apparently this is what I need to stop broken. We'll mention their issue again. That way I look like a dumbass twice. Thoughts on changing jobs, getting out of the code game? Right? I mean, I don't think I'll get out of programming, even though all code is garbage, but I hope at some point that I will have enough capital that I can just stream. Oh, right. This doesn't delete the old gem and gems. The Ruby ecosystem is like, oh yeah, prefer the latest version if both of them are installed, because you can install both of them at the same time for some reason. Does this really still not work? I don't understand. Ruby makes no sense to me. Bunky XD, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Those packing peanuts looking real tasty right now. Details, were you here for my restaurant proposal? Oh, you were here for the PP restaurant? Okay, fine. Okay, so that's a thing. PP hut? Yeah. We're gonna let that bootstrap while we release Precommit 3.0.0. Let me make sure this works before. I was gonna say something's gonna be very wrong. Okay. Okay, get status, get branch, get check out main, get bull prune, get 030, get apply, get branch 1630. Alright, we have our changelog. v2.21.0 name only, format equal. .0.0. Is that really it? I am really surprised. 0.0.0. Did I pull first? I did. Ooh, I even off my password manager today. Look at me. Look at me, look at me, hands in the air like it's good to be alive. I can show you I can show you how to scratch a record. I can take apart a remote control and I can put it all back together. I can tie a knot in a cherry stem. I can tell you about Leif Erikson. I don't know who the fuck it is. Yeah, okay. What song is that? It's by the Flowbots. Anyway, what's your proudest moment as a developer? I don't fucking know. No idea. Yeah, I don't have a video for you on that one, Wilfred. I just don't know. Testing. Zip app make. This takes a version. Yeah, 3.0.0. The song is called Handlebars, Brigox. It's called Handlebars. Which is true. I can ride my bike with no handlebars. No handlebars, no handlebars, no handlebars. So impressed by this self-writing updating idiot slander for shiny teacher. Yeah, that thing is pretty fucking cool. Actually, of all the cool projects that I've made, I mean, pre-commit is definitely the one that I spend the most time on. Pre-commit CI is kind of a feat of engineering. The self-modifying shiny detector is pretty cool. This fucking project, the Switch project, also very, very cool. Everything else, meh. Meh. Am I logged in here? That would be ideal. Otherwise, I gotta do virtual shared folders. Bullshit. Yeah. And dash 50, sure 60, that works too. We make it the release. Wow, I wrote 2023. Are you proud of me, chat? I was so sure I would fuck that one up. Recommit v3.0.0. And I'm gonna wake up to tomorrow with a bunch of people being like, how could you break this? I was relying on this thing that's been deprecated for 2 years. That's what I hate about changes. 2 fucking years. Bud. Friendo. Wow. Windows knows this is a Python file. Interesting. Oh, I guess PyZ. Yeah, makes sense. La says, I know you use the stepper during meetings sometimes, but what are the optimal times to go for a walk for productivity? Working from home. Usually I don't go for a walk, I'll go for a run. Yeah. This is a draft? You fucking what? Why is it not draft? Oh, because I didn't do this. This song also loops. Next. Yo, let's fucking go. Let's go, baby. There's a whole bunch of stuff I can clean up in Premium CI though. Expect my complaint in the morning. In the meantime, enjoy. Well, thank you for stopping by, Lang. No, I did not check the issue tracker, but I will tell you what I did. At least you'll tell me what you did, because sometimes people are just like, I got an error. I'm not going to tell you what my config file is, nor what command I ran. You just get to figure it out. Is this still going? Yeah. Wait, does that say column 6? Yeah, I guess there's 6 columns. I don't know what I started the script with though. Oh, there it was. Box is 3. Oh yeah, it's still hatching. Okay, we're good. I've never had an issue with Pigment, never have, never will. It's, yeah, I mean... And honestly, if you do have an issue with Pigment, most of the time, it's some other fucking tool that Pigment's running. Because, Pigment's coming very close to being 10 years old, which is also crazy to me. Rogelio, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And the crazy thing is, up until today, I think the original configuration for recommit worked. So, some longevity, right? In May of 2014. It'll be 9 years old in a couple of months. Which makes me real sad. Because it's been a real fucking long time. Alright, now we get to update the docs. Oh, we get to update the docs. We get to get rid of all the 1.0 references. I usually keep the most recent 2 revisions. Yes, yes, very nice. Remove 1.0 references. Bitcrypt-l 1 dot. I cloned the wrong repo. Oh no, I cloned the right repo. I should have limited this to markdown files. One dot. Well, that's not quite right. I want to keep the link. I guess we'll do that. I should refold that, but I also don't care. Oh. Damn, that was so long ago. Bloop. Bloop. Man. Some old stuff here. A commit is not necessary to try rebuild on a local directory. Pre-commit clone any unchecked. Yeah. It's not relevant at all. Linux, Windows, and Mac OS, and may work under that. Yep. Roost. Oh. Shit. Okay, just delete that entirely. I'm just gonna do all the release notes in one thing. I've changed my mind. I'm suddenly hungry. I want food. Alright, what else changed here? This reference anywhere? No. Go. New in 3.0.0. Recommit will bootstrap. Go if it is not present. Language Golang. How do I indent this? Do I do this? No. Also supports language version. Yeah. I think there's also a reference somewhere. What did I do for the rest one? Oh, I didn't mention it at all. Oh, it is here, yeah. New in 3.0.0. Golang language version matches the, what is it? dgl.golang.dev. I should not just type random shit into Google. Go.dev? Go.dev/dl. Yeah. Jose Fems, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Use the versions such as 1.19.5. There we go. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Alright, Corsair. Corsair. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. New in 3.0.0. Language Kotze. Looks now support repo local and additional dependencies. Sick. That is an easy ban. Oh, almost banned myself. That's not a good idea. Bye. Finally, someone has seen Shrek on this platform. Who has not seen Shrek on this platform? What? Like everyone has seen Shrek. Repo local. Local hooks can use any languages to support additional dependencies. Oh, look at that. I don't have to document it here. Nice. Yeah. And we don't even document, bring validate, config. Perfect. 3.0. Documentation updates for 3.0.0. The first Shrek movie is in my top 5 of all time. That's a pretty good one. I remember. Maybe that was Shrek 2. Fuck. What's the song at the end in Shrek 1? Or is that in Shrek 2? I don't remember what song it is. But it's like it's a cover of a song. And I remember my brother and I were obsessed with that song. And we would just play the end of Shrek and like dance our fucking hearts out in the basement of my parents' house. We would run around that goddamn song. I'm a Believer. Oh my god, it 100% was. Yeah. Mad Dude. Hey, good to hear. Thank you for the resub at Prime at 4 months. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm a Believer. Yeah, 100%. That Shrek one. Oh man. Yeah. It's such a good cover too. All Star by Smash Mouth. Yeah, that one is also in Shrek 1. But I had listened to that song before Shrek. Doesn't make me hipster. Doesn't make me cool. In fact, it probably makes me less cool. I just triggered a stupid memory of mine. I guess I'll tell you the stupid memory of mine. A girl I was dating had never heard that song until like 2016-ish. Had never heard that song. And this is a person that grew up on the internet. They had never heard the song. Red flag. But could you imagine never hearing All Star by Smash Mouth? The other part of why I was laughing is because they thought it was rap. Because I sang it to them once because I thought it was funny, and they're like, "Oh." But I also sang it fast, so presumably that's why. But at the same time, it was just like, really? Okay. The blasphemy. I mean, if you spit the bridge, kind of I could see it. I could see it. Okay, the last thing we have to do is we have to go on the cursed bird site. Oh, please don't show my phone number. Oh boy, why do I have 5 notifications on the Twitter account? I haven't even done anything yet. Oh. Oh. Okay, it's a good thing. Look. Is this who I think it is? No, I don't know who this is. I assume this was the person who added our support to Prigmat, but I don't think it is. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Alright, pre-commit 3.0.0 has been released. Let's remove some long deprecated config stuff and adds first class support for Go and repo local support for Corsair. For Golang, yeah. Dang. And then I gotta find the link. Bloop. So ready for Twitter to go to the bin? Yeah, you and me both. Twitter is not in its Duffy or something. I don't know, whatever the fuck you say. But yeah, and then I get to click at the button for my own tweets. Probably definitely ruins its reach, but I don't care. That's gonna wrap us up for today. We got the thing that I wanted to get done. We saw Ruby's fuckery as it do. Oh, that's not what I want to do. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/anthonywritescode 3 times a week. Oh, we passed 19,000 subs. That's kind of cool. Only 81,000 more to get my fancy button. I don't know that I'll ever get there, but we're gonna try. Anyway, check out that. Subscribe there. If you missed any part of the streams, you want to catch up on previous streams, I upload those to @anthonywritescode-vods, where you can find previous streams. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I say what we're gonna work on, and we actually did it. Let's fucking go, baby. The other is the Discord, which you're free to join and come hang out. The fancy button, yeah, I want the silver play button. That's my goal. My goal with YouTube. It's a stupid goal, but it's my goal with YouTube. But yeah. And I know Juice is streaming, so we're just gonna raid Juice. Yeah. But I'll be streaming with Juicebox Hero tomorrow. Yeah, she is streaming. So go follow Juicebox Hero. I don't need to shout her out. We're gonna raid her. Yeah. So go click the follow button. I'm gonna be streaming, teaching her Python. Oh, wait. Actually, hold on. The eggs are done. The eggs are done, chat. 1 sec. We're gonna do one last gamble before we leave. We got one more gamble, chat. We gotta gamble. One gamble. Don't leave just yet. We have a gamble, and then we're gonna raid Juice. I know, all of you have already left. You've already left. You don't get this gamble. This gamble is for the real fans. The real gamblers. The real gamba going on here. All in? Freox. You're going all in on a... Oh, you don't have any points. You're going all in on a coin flip? My god. My god. It's quite the risk there. I don't have points because you can't see I? Okay, well, alright, I gotta turn the sound on so I can hear the sound cue. Alright, nothing in that box? Alright. Nothing in the first box. No. Not looking good so far. This song is looping too. Stonks? There's not many left. Alright, there's only 60 left. Only 30 left. Oh. Oh, Preox, your coin flip doesn't look good, buddy. Oh. F. 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 Alright, now we're gonna raid Juicebox Hero. Alright, go say hi, be nice, etc. Throw up your Python's bongo away. And thank you all for stopping by. What is Automod? I don't even see it. I think you're using banned words and not Automod. But anyway, go say hi, be nice, and I'll see you tomorrow for teaching Juice Python stream. Peace.